It's the first presidential debate of its scale in more than 20 years, the first to be held outside Metro Manila, and the first time all 5 presidential candidates for the 2016 election share a stage. Candidates made sure to stick to their messages, emphasizing round after round what they perceive to be their strengths. For Vice President Jejomar Binay, it's decisiveness. Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago, intelligence and competence. For Davao Mayor Rodrigo Duterte, it's the will to get things done. For Senator Grace Poe, it's inclusivity. And for the ruling party's Mar Rojas, it's experience and the numbers to boot. Presidential hopefuls agree that debates are important to show voters what they really have to offer beyond their ads and slogans. But they also say that the 90-second, 60-second, and 30-second time limits are restrictive.
Masalimuot, maselan at mga malalaking problema ito at hindi naman pwede na sa isang minuto ay masasagot lahat ito. At ang pagkapangulo naman ay hindi ito karera no? Pagkapangulo ay ang pagsusuri sa problema at pagdidetermina kung anong pinakamabuting paraan na malutas ito.
There's really no tough questions because I prepared for it. Ang mahirap lang ay ang kakulangan ng oras kasi kailangan mong sabihin sa napakaikling panahon. Okay na rin yun, disiplina na rin ang masabi lahat.
Campaign teams are quick to praise their candidates' performances during the debate. By Rappler's count, Rojas won the first round while the last 2 go to Poe. Online, people say it was Duterte who won. The debate is historic and the hype immense, but in a country where catchy jingles, slogans, and lofty promises often trump policy papers, the real winner of this and future debates remain to be seen. Beko Pin Rappler, Cagayan de Oro City.